Hi everyone, my name is Shane Kwaterski. I'm the Director of Business Development with Fluid Motion, and I'm going to be walking you through the Solara 250 Center Walkaround. The first thing you'll notice as you board the 250 Center Walkaround is our clear path transom area. You can see the rigging from the engine doesn't go to the transom directly, enabling you a clear path to move port and starboard along the boat. This boat is built on a performance double-stepped hull that enables a faster time to plane and a faster, more fuel-efficient hull than a traditional variable dead rise boat. This hull also has our laminar flow interrupters for positive, more predictable turning when underway. This boat comes standard with underwater lights and auto-leveling trim tabs. The standard power plant on the Solara 250 Center Walkaround is a Yamaha 300 horsepower engine. You have electronic steering and the engine is able to fully tilt out of the water, a great benefit to this transom design. Also at the transom, our signature ski tow and water sports pylon. A great accessory for wakeboarding, water skiing, tubing, and any other tow sports. On the starboard side of the swim platform, you're going to have a removable boarding ladder that's easily accessible for when you're in the water. The transom of the 250 Center Walkaround is loaded with features. You have a standard recirculating live well that can also be used for additional storage when not in use, a freshwater bait prep sink, a freshwater shower to starboard, and you have additional dry storage and cooler storage to port. In the cockpit area of the boat, you have 10 rod holders, 4 mounted in the gunnels, 2 port and starboard, and then on the top of the hardtop, you have 6 rocket launchers. The 250 Center Walkaround, like the other 25-foot Solaras, has collapsible seating. You have your collapsible transom bench seat and your port side seating as well. Easy to use or stow away for when fishing. You have your standard raw water washdown, available to rinse the deck off when needed. Also, on the 250 Center Walkaround, you have a great sliding angle cooler, easily accessible. This doubles as a reversible aft-facing seat. As expected on this boat, you're gonna have a tremendous amount of in-deck storage and in-deck systems access for visual inspections and easy repairs. We had the opportunity to steal this boat from production today, so the standard EVA foam decking is going to be installed tomorrow. The premium features continue throughout this boat with our Fusion stereo system with red LED lighting in the deck as well as in the hardtop. To go along with your LED speakers, you also have LED accent lighting in the hardtop. Also in the hardtop is your aft-facing LED spreader lights, your rear-facing Garmin camera, and the back part of the hardtop has Ketterwelt tracks for your standard cockpit sunshade. You also have a forward bow sunshade for the forward portion of the boat. On the port side of the console, you're going to find your remote battery switches and breaker panel. Forward of that, Plano tackle box storage. Aft of the helm area, you're going to have a standard electric grill that's available for use dockside with your 30 amp shore power system. You also have a ditch and throw area just to the right of your grill. On the starboard side of the console, you have a standard 12-volt refrigerator. The helm area of the boat is loaded with big boat features. You'll see a standard 8612 multifunction display from Garmin, your Yamaha digital command link display, Fusion 770 stereo head unit, all of your switching and instrumentation here, digital throttle and binnacle. You have electric steering with a tilt steering wheel, auto leveling Lenco trim tabs, autopilot, bow thruster control, and ICOM VHF radio. The helm area features fore and aft sliding premium seating with our signature Solara logo in the headrests. The 250 Center Walkaround has port lights, port and starboard in the hardtop for additional airflow and light. Also on the hardtop are stainless steel sport racks, great for bringing paddleboards, kayaks, and other water sport accessories. The bow of the boat features opportunities for lounging and sunning or additional dining. This whole area fills up with bow filler cushions to create a large lounge, or you can use the included pedestal and bow table for an additional dining area. The bow features our electric windlass and our 4-step bow boarding ladder. This is a great ladder when beached at a sandbar, so you don't have to enter the water to board the boat. At the bow of the boat, just below the rub rail, we're going to have your standard forward-facing Garmin camera. This is a great system for when trailering the boat, so you know that the boat is properly secured to your trailer. Again, a premium feature you're probably not going to find on another boat this size. The bow area includes another remote fusion head unit and LED fusion speakers. Throughout the boat, we have stainless steel pop-up cleats, a great feature for fishing to avoid snagging lines. You can see there's also great storage here in the bow. Forward on the hardtop, you're going to have a standard LED spreader light, and then below the rub rail on the bow are standard LED docking lights. The Center Walkaround design provides the unique ability for a very versatile boat. Whether you're fishing, cruising, or overnighting, the Center Walkaround gives you a unique opportunity for easy boarding, but also a tremendous amount of interior space below deck. There's a great port side entry to the cabin on this boat. I'm 6'2", and there's plenty of headroom for me down here. You have insert cushions to make this a small lounge and bedding area, and you also have a full-size marine flush toilet. Also down below in the cabin, you have your 30-amp control panel, a stainless steel sink with fresh water, 110 outlets, USB charging outlets, and additional storage area. Behind the console, systems access, and you even have additional rod storage on the port side of the cabin. As you can see, this boat is extremely versatile. Whether you're fishing, cruising, or doing water sports, this boat can really do it all. Again, I'm Shane Kwaterski. Thank you so much for walking through the Solara 250 Center Walkaround. For more information on this boat and other Solara models, please go to solaraboats.com.